Today we are investigating land degradation. Land degradation occurs when human activity reduces the quality or health of land so it cannot function naturally. One important example is deforestation, the large-scale removal of trees faster than they can regrow. Deforestation does not occur everywhere. It has a spatial distribution, meaning it happens in particular regions of the world, mainly the tropical rainforest biome near the equator in South America, Africa, and Southeast Asia. Today we focus on an Australian example, the Daintree rainforest in far north Queensland. The Daintree is one of the oldest rainforests on Earth and contains extremely high biodiversity, meaning many different plant and animal species live there. However, pressure from tourism development, housing, and transport access has led to areas of vegetation clearing. Trees play an important role in holding soil together. Their roots stabilize the ground and absorb water. When trees are removed, rainfall hits bare soil and washes it away. This process is called soil erosion. In the Daintree, heavy tropical rainfall carries loose sediment into rivers. The rivers become muddy and flow into the Great Barrier Reef. Sediment blocks sunlight needed by coral for photosynthesis, damaging marine ecosystems. This shows an environmental impact of deforestation, habitat loss, and ecosystem damage. There are also social impacts. The rainforest is culturally significant to Aboriginal traditional owners. Changes to the landscape affect connection to country, while increased development brings both jobs and environmental risks to local communities. To understand why this happens, geographers use a topographic map. A topographic map shows the relief of the land, the height and shape of the Earth's surface. The brown lines are contour lines, and each line joins points of equal elevation above sea level. If you walked along one contour line, you would stay at the same height. The difference in height between lines is the contour interval. The spacing of the lines shows slope. Close lines mean steep land, and wide spacing means gentle slopes. On a Daintree topographic map, contour lines are very close together near the mountains. This tells us the land is steep. When vegetation is cleared, rainwater flows downhill quickly through valleys into rivers, increasing erosion and flooding. So the key idea is this: deforestation changes the land's surface, and because of the land's shape, the impact spread beyond the area where trees were cut. A topographic map doesn't just show where things are. It helps geographers predict environmental impacts and understand how landscapes respond to human activity. And remember, don't take geography for granted, especially when we're talking about landscapes. Key terms for you: land degradation, deforestation, spatial distribution, biodiversity, erosion, environmental impact, relief, contour line, elevation, contour interval. Thanks for watching. Oh, and if you're desperate for another amazing geo joke, I've got you covered. Why did the Daintree rainforest break up with the topographic map? Because every time the map showed up, it kept pointing out all its contour lines and saying it needed more elevation in the relationship. Have a great day.